I've been walking through the shadows in my mind, searching for the pieces I left behind. Every step is heavy, every breath is slow, but still I'm moving forward, even if I don't know. All the things that hurt me taught me how to breathe. I'm learning to let go now of who I used to be. After the rain, the sun will rise again. Even a broken heart can find its beat again. I'm holding out the faith when everything feels wrong. This every fall becomes the strength that keeps me moving on. After the rain, I'll find my way again. Some days it feels like I'm running out of light, but hope keeps glowing softly through the night. It whispers gently, you're stronger than you know, healing all the places I don't ever show. I'm learning how to forgive the storms inside my chest, trying to give myself a moment just to rest. After the rain, the sun will rise again. Even a fading soul can find its fire again. I'm holding on to dreams I thought had slipped away, and every tear becomes the seed that helps me bloom someday. After the rain, I'll stand on my feet again. Maybe the storm was meant to change me. Maybe the pain was meant to save me. Now the sky is clearing slowly, and I'm finally healing wholly. After the rain, the world feels new again. Every scar I carry turns to strength I've gained. I'm moving forward now with all the hope I found. No matter how I fall, I rise from the ground. After the rain, yeah. After the rain, I'm born again.